This is Gary Atencio with CNTV, and today we're in Broomfield, Colorado. I'm with the founders of Code Blue Computing since 2009. They have been bringing computers back to life. I'm here with the owner and founder. What got you involved in this type of industry?
Well, technology has been my passion ever since I was a kid. I've worked in the technology industry for 20 years, corporate world, corporate 500 servers and that sort of things. And I really wanted to bring that passion to the user and help them understand the technology more. So my wife and I started the company.
Wonderful. Let me ask you this. Computers nowadays, they pretty much run everything we do, be it business, personal life, you name it. Is it that important now that people know and put somebody in charge of the computers they can trust?
Oh, absolutely. Really, if you look at your computers, and really everything we do has become so digital, your family pictures, your business, your financial records. So really, if you don't have somebody that you trust taking care of that, you could lose everything, just with a lightning bolt. So it's very, very important.
Speaking of trust, I would imagine it's probably important out there, especially for a small business owner, knowing who is actually working on your computer and knowing that it's not being shipped out somewhere, being outsourced. Is that important as well?
Oh, it's very important. A lot of our customers have had bad experiences in the past as far as they don't know who they're going to get when someone comes out on a service call. And when our customers deal with us, they know that every single time Bill is going to be the one that come out, take care of their issue, and they're not going to have any problems at all.
Wonderful. As a chief technology specialist, over 20 years out there, quite honestly, be it a personal PC all the way to a corporate backbone network, you probably can handle pretty much anything from here on out.
Oh, absolutely, yes. Like I said, I do everything from computers to iPads. I could do it all. It's just one of my loves, my passions.
Obviously, we come running to you guys when something goes wrong. But quite honestly, there's a lot of preventive maintenance that folks can do out there to make sure their computers are up and going. Why don't you share with me some of what you offer as far as the way of virus protection, tune-ups, that type of thing?
There's a lot of things that we're able to offer our customers as far as preventative maintenance. Of course, we're big proponents as far as customers having antivirus software on their computer. The software that we use, we have listed on our website so our customers know. We help them get that software set up so that they can run daily scans to make sure that they're taken care of. But another thing that we like all of our customers to know, though, is just because you have antivirus software, that's not going to protect you from every single virus that's out there. We try to give them the tools to do so. It's just definitely everything that you can do to try and cover yourself as much as possible.
How important is it folks have a nice backup system in place?
Oh, extremely important. In this day and age, with all your pictures, financial records, and music that everybody stores on their PCs anymore, take their backups for granted. People don't do them, or they use external hard drives, and that's not necessarily the best means. We offer online cloud-based backups as a means to back it up securely and efficiently and successfully.
Obviously some great tips we can do out there as far as preventive maintenance goes. Right now we are scrolling across the screen all the different services that you guys offer. Is there one in particular that you guys feel you're the specialty of, or something that you could really help the folks out there with?
There's quite a few things that we focus in on, but I would have to say the PC tune-ups are a big specialty of ours because we're able to figure out what is slowing down someone's computer, get it sped up, and really there's just a lot of, just like your car, your computer needs maintenance at least a couple times a year, and people don't really think about that. So, we come in and kind of take care of the housekeeping of your computer so that it can perform at the level that you're going to be able to do your business and do what you need to do for your family.
Quite honestly, we talked about computers, laptops, desktops, but you know what, like you said, anymore, our computers are right in our hand. From smartphones to iPads to iPods, are you able to help folks in that area?
Oh, absolutely. We can help them set them up on the iPhones, the iPads, even the iPods we can get them set up on email, internet, that sort of stuff. Even help them get their Bluetooth headpiece connected to their iPhone. We find a lot of customers are needing that assistance. It's just not clear cut, really. We also fix the screens. If you crack the screen on your iPhone, we can repair that.
Wonderful. So we're talking about not only the internal components, but I put one in my back pocket and it goes. You can actually help out with that and replace the screens.
Yes, we can.
What about in the home? A lot of times I've got electronics and technology that I'd love to integrate to run my theater system or what have you. Are you able to help there as well?
Yeah, absolutely. We're able to help with anything from basically networking all these pieces in your house, your computer, your printer, your scanner, so that you can operate them from anywhere in your home, to home theaters as well. The remote controls, that we're using for those home theaters, our computers themselves. We're able to set that up to work of your network if you need it, or at least so that you don't have so many lined up all over.
Yeah, absolutely. It simplifies our life a little bit there. Obviously, once again, prevention, you have a great backup system in place, but lo and behold, you lose some data. Are you able to help with recovery in any way?
9 times out of 10, we can get data recovered from failed hard drives or computers. For those hard drives that have failed, we don't guarantee any recovery method.
Sure.
Usually we can get the data off of it if it's failed. And if we can't get it, we send it out to one of our providers that do.
Wonderful. Folks, if you take a look at the bottom of the screen right there, you're going to see their website address. What you're going to find on the website there is all the services they have. Quite honestly, with over 20 plus years in the industry, you're also going to see that their prices are very competitive, so competitive that they have most of the prices right there on the website. Keep in mind, those are base prices there for you. Each piece they can give you a customized price quote on. You'll also notice they have products and partners that they've teamed up with, certain antiviruses. And one of the biggest things, they've got a blog there as well that'll keep you apprised of things that are changing in the computer world out there. One of the things I noticed on there was a remote software where basically if somebody maybe doesn't even have to bring in their computer, some things can be fixed from a remote location. Is that right?
We actually have a VIP program for some of our customers that will take care of issues for them monthly or bi-monthly, kind of depending on what they need. But the customers that are within that VIP program, they get additional discounts, they get preferred scheduling, and they're also able to set up remotely with us that if they have an issue that they need taken care of very, very quickly, we're able to remote in, take care of that issue from where we are to get them back up and running as soon as we can.
I love that. So basically it pays to be a VIP. Yes. I mean, quite honestly, it keeps you prevented throughout the years. And a lot of times if you can prevent some of these problems, you're going to save money in the long run instead of repairing, right?
Absolutely, yes.
A lot of folks out there maybe need some training as far as even getting up and going on their computer. Do you offer also some computer training?
Oh, absolutely we do. Actually, one of our favorite services that we started offering initially when we started the company was computer training for seniors. But really, whether you're a senior or whether you're not, we can get you up and running on really any area that you want to work on, social media and the internet, set up on spreadsheets. Really, the focus is on what you want it to be, and we can get you taken care of.
Folks, take a look at the bottom of the screen right there. You're going to see their website once again. Speaking of education and education that is free, like them right there on Facebook because they're keeping you apprised of certain things that are going on there, maybe some updates that would help you out. And the blogs themselves are a great educational tool. They are accredited with the Better Business Bureau as well, and they work with the local chamber. They also got the Best Business of Thornton, which is quite a big deal for a company coming along here, obviously showing that you guys are very attuned to customer service.
Yes, absolutely. We had kind of joked when we were nominated for that award that if they were going to name the smallest business in Thornton, we would absolutely win. But we really didn't expect to win. And really the reason we were chosen was our commitment to service and additionally that service offering as far as computer training for our senior citizens.
Everyone out there seems to love this service. You can check out their verifiable customer reviews right there on their website, see what people have to say. But quite honestly, if you're not sure if they've got something that can help you out, just give them a call. This is a team, basically, it is very customer orientated to the point that you're going to be dealing with the person that's actually working on that computer for you. This is Gary Atencio with CNTV. And if you don't know, now you know.